This week I added some juice to Siege game. Most of the time was spent on finding, making and networking sound effects. Some of them are UI sounds, and some of them are 3D in-game sounds with strategic importance. Also there are now screen shakes as well. Let's start with the in-game sounds. You can hear enemies walking, shooting, hurting, as loud as close they are. So sharpen your ears, and be careful because if they are crouching, it's hard to hear their footsteps. Placing blocks or chunks has sounds as well. So you have to stay alerted because maybe someone is building a bridge right now towards your fort. Weapons and projectiles also have sound effects. The bow got a slight personal screen shake, while the cannon got a bigger one and also shakes other players' screens. And it scales with distance. Both cannons and the TNT's explosion now can be heard from the other side of the map. Also it got a big screen shake, which scales with distance as well. When players are damaged, there is a slight screen shake and a 3D hurting sound. And also when you die, there is a 3D death sound and a corpse is spawned. The player who damaged another player hears a personal sound as well, giving some feedback to him. And when the enemy is killed, there is another sound for him as well. I also plan on making the crosshair change when you damage somebody, but this will have to wait till the UI updates. And now to the UI. It's still the lame old prototype-ish UI, but there are some signs of change as you can see, even if the UI overhaul will have to wait a few more weeks. Now there is a switching sound when the player switches between the inventory and the building panel. Also scrolling through the panels got some clicking sound. When a notification is shown on the screen, a sound is played. Currently there is a player joined sound, a resource bag spawned or collected sound, and another one for everything else. Well, this is the end of this week's devlog. I progressed well, but there is still plenty of work left till the first real playtesting. So if you remember my estimations from 2 weeks ago, you know how wrong I was. If you'd like to be up to date with my project, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching and see you next time. This week I added some Siege game.